welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be unboxing our Sephora Play Box. I had been holding on to this and I kept forgetting about it, and I was like, oh yeah, I was supposed to be doing a video. That's why I can't use this stuff in here yet. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So Sephora Play is a $10 a month makeup subscription box that has skincare, makeup, hair care items. Comes from the Sephora makeup store, and a lot of times it's hit or miss. Sometimes it's a lot of repeat items, which can be very frustrating because it's supposed to be a way for you to be able to try these different brands that they sell and then therefore go ahead and spend your money and buy them. But when they put repeat items, it just kind of makes it hard when it's, especially if it's something that you tried 2 or 3 times. And I already looked at my sneak peek and I already saw that I have a repeat item in here, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So it comes in a little black and white box just like this. I'm gonna use a pen and oh, maybe the pen won't work. Oh, there we go. Use a pen and open this up. Should have gotten scissors, but I did not think this through. Okay, cool. We got it open. Woo. All right. Let's see what we got in here. So it always comes with like this little pamphlet that has like the information about the products and how to use them. You get 50 Sephora Play points that you can use to get, you know, those little sample size little items in the Play Store. And yeah, I won't look into this yet and see what's all in here, but they come in these recyclable bags, and usually it's red. So this is the first time I've ever seen a green one. It's supposed to be like TSA approved size bags. I don't ever use these. Like, I have a bunch of them. I think whenever I have like leftover samples and stuff, I'll use these bags to re-gift them, to give people the different samples that didn't work out for me or that I wasn't wanting, and give them to friends and stuff. So I use it for those type of purposes. Sometimes if I'm organizing stuff, I'll do that, but other than that, I don't really use these. I really like the ones that come in the Ipsy bag that are like actual purses, because I actually use those for purses. Those are really cute. These, not so much. But you know, I didn't like the canvas bags that they had before that either. So yeah, I don't know. It's fine. It is what it is. It's a $10 a month bag. I'm not really pressed about this part. I'm more concerned about what's the products that are on the inside. So, all right, let's go ahead and grab something. See what is, oh, Caudalie. So Caudalie is like a very like clean by Sephora brand, I believe. I have tried their Radiance serum and I've tried their essence. They're really pricey. I like that essence. They gave me like a little sample thing of the essence and I was like, oh, I really like this. I felt like it did a really good job on my skin, and I went to go look that up to go purchase it, and the small size of that was like $100, and I was like, bruh, I spend money on skincare, but that was too much for me. Not for essence. I spend money on like serums and moisturizers, stuff like that. But for essence, no, I'm not spending, especially when you can get, you know, essences that are just as good and are cheaper. So yeah, but this one is Vino Pure Serum. Oh, Skin Perfecting Serum. Combination to oily skin. Oh, that's good. At least I got my right skin type. So that's interesting. We'll have to look it up and see what it is at the end. But okay, or actually we can do it right now. So that is, what does that say? Vino Pure Natural Salicylic Acid. Vino Pure Natural Salicylic Acid Pore Minimizing Serum. That is a mouthful. By Caudalie. There's only so much room in that survival kit to pack this multitasking serum that diminishes the look of pores and zaps blemishes. Morning and night, apply a dime-sized amount to your face. Use as a spot treatment for problem areas overnight. This is good. I want to try this out. I have pores in this area here that drive me insane. Like, no matter what I do, you know, even vitamin C and doing different, you know, types of serums have helped to like lessen my pores over the years, but I'm always looking for like a new one to try out and see if it's going to diminish it. I just feel like nothing really does it as well as me going to like an esthetician and getting it done. And I am a former esthetician, so when I was in beauty school, we used to get, you know, facials and, you know, the steam and everything like 2-3 times a week, and my skin looks so bomb, and I miss those days. So yeah, so this will be a good product to go ahead and try. But you know, skincare, you have to try it at least 2 to 3 weeks to see if there's ever to the claims that it says. So cool. All right, happy to try that out. Let's pick something else out. It's big. Oh, Clinique take the day off. Oops. Ooh, it's open. Why? Why? Why would you do this to me, Sephora? So yeah, the Clinique take the day off makeup remover. I actually really like this. It doesn't look like a whole lot spilled out, maybe like just a tiny, but I do really like that balm. I use that to take off my eye makeup, so I've had it a bunch of different types of different subscription boxes, and it's really nice. It takes off my eye makeup, it doesn't irritate my eyes. It's a little oily, but I like that, you know, but it doesn't burn my eyes either, and especially when I'm trying to take off like waterproof mascara, or if I have like a mascara primer underneath. It gets every last bit of that, especially if I'm using, like, if I do lashes, which is rare, but if I do lashes, it helps take out the glue from the lashes as well. I like that. What's this? Oh, okay, so this is a perfume. Juliet has a gun. Oh, excuse me, not a perfume. Clearly said that right there. My bad. So, can you guys see that? Or the lights are too big. There we go. So clearly not a perfume. So let's see. The description says, simply unique, created and designed by Romano Ricci, great grandson of Nina Ricci. Not a perfume, is a molecular composition and will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, Cetalox. Not familiar with that. Chances are you experience a certain weakness at first glance, but don't rush too fast into your conclusions. It is one of our top sellers, and there is a good reason for that. The fragrance simply stands out. Allergen free. Oh, that's good to know. So let's give it a whirl. This is a big box for this little tiny perfume sample. But there it is right there. Not a perfume. Let's try it. Oh, it smells like, what is that? Like, it almost smells like licorice. Am I tripping? I don't want to spray more to to figure it out, but it kind of smells like licorice. Let me see. I gotta look in the booklet now, because now I have no idea. Let's see. The scent is the epitome. It's the epitome of a. The scent is the epitome of a minimalist. It has just one note, but that's really all it needs. The fragrance family is woody and earthy. The top and only note is Cetalox. It's growing on me. It It smells. I guess it does smell earthy. Definitely smells musky. And I actually really like musky perfumes or colognes or whatever. It's just, it has like a undertone, even though it's saying there's only one note, I want to say it kind of smells like licorice a little bit. It's so strange. I'm not mad at it though. It smells, it's starting to grow on me. So we'll say that. So not bad. So far we have 3 things that I'm really happy about. So let's see, what else do we have here? Okay. Ooh. The Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic and Retinol Triple Correction Eye Serum. Oh, okay. This is actually really good. I love Dr. Dennis Gross's, those pads where you do the 1 step and then you do the 2nd step for them. Those things are so bomb. I usually get those when my skin is like really, really, really bad. But lately it has been good. I've been keeping up with my skincare. I'm not as stressed out now that I'm not in school right now. So my skin has not been like tripping on me, so it's actually been been really good. But I love eye creams. I'm almost done with my Ola Henderson's banana brightening under eye cream. That's almost finished. So, and I just finished my Murad one as well, so I would be happy to try this out. And this is a pretty hefty size sample for eye cream. This is 0.16 fluid ounces, so this will actually probably last me a month or maybe 2 months actually. Hopefully my husband doesn't steal it. I have him doing skincare and he starts stealing my skincare instead of using his skincare. And you guys have that same struggle? So yeah. Oh, by the way, this makeup look right here is filmed a little bit earlier today. You have the new Pat McGrath foundation on, and I'm doing a wear test, but how's it looking? far it's looking pretty good. Sorry, I was looking at that highlight though. I love highlight. And this lip balm, this is from actually Black Radiance. It's super, super creamy. This like purpley, majestic, iridescent color. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but it's growing on me too. Kind of like that a lot. Okay, back to the video. I'm sorry. Okay, I got sidetracked. Let's see. Let's try. What's the next one? Okay, so this is my repeat that I saw here. This is the Bite Beauty. What do they call it? Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glace or Glacy. I think it's Glacy, and it's wet from the Stupid Clinique thing. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call you stupid. I actually really like you, but you made me mad because you wet my stuff. But yeah, so this is it right here. This is the color. It's a pretty color, and I actually used the one that I already have. So I mean, I'll either give it away or I'll use it as a backup because I actually really like the color a lot. So, you know, Bite Beauty lipsticks are amazing. So I'm not really mad at that. Like, I just wish it wasn't a repeat because I literally got it maybe 3 or 4 bags ago. I have one last item, and what is this? Oh, see, now this I don't like. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. No, I hate shampoo, conditioner, hair, any of these hair things that they put in these. I hate them so much. And this is a big size sample, so I'm not saying that, you know, it's that, or even the brand. I've tried something from Living Proof before, like their detangler or something like that, and it was good. But I have underneath these braids, I have really curly hair, and this just don't be enough. Like, my hair comes probably to like right here now. This is one use. What I'm gonna do with this, so one use is not, to me, is not enough to see if you like something. You need to have several uses for a product to be able to see if you can use it, and this is, to me, is just not enough. I hate when they do that. Or when you get those foil packets, those are even worse, because that foil packet doesn't do anything, especially the conditioner. That's gonna do like this part of my hair and just negate the rest of the hair that I have going on. So far that was what, 5 out of 6 items that I actually liked. So here's what it looks like on the inside of all your items. So yeah, with the exception of this Living Proof thing, I really enjoyed my bag this month. So I'm kind of happy, Sephora. At first I was a little bit upset when I saw that Bite Beauty lip crayon, but I'm not mad at it. And this perfume, that's not a perfume, excuse me, my bad, is growing on me. It smells pretty good now. Maybe I had to like mix with my body chemistry and, you know, do its thing. So, all right, so that was today's unboxing for Sephora Play. I already opened my Ipsy box because I'm too impatient to wait. Like, I want to use the items that come in my box like right away, and I just didn't have time to film. It was a lot going on. But I have a couple of weeks until school starts back up, so I'm going to try and do as much pre-filming as possible so that I can have videos moving forward. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's content. We're gonna have a couple videos coming up pretty soon. I have a Pat McGrath video on this foundation look. I'm doing a wear test on that, so that's be coming up. I'm doing a concealer hunt series that'll be coming up. The first one is for CoverGirl's concealer that just came out, and I'll be doing unboxings on my channel as well. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.